So we're an insurance broker that specialises in business insurance for trades. In the insurance industry, you've got to be really compliant, so we've got to make sure we follow strict processes and guidelines. We've been running for 10 years and we've never once had documentation for any of our processes, so yeah, we've finally got some real documentation and make everyone follow the same process. Yeah, it's been really good. I've learned so many things, extra things that Way We Do can do, because I've only just learnt what my boss has shown me. Yeah, definitely. I did sign up for the webinar, but then when I saw this, I cancelled the webinar and went, yeah, I'm going. I prefer face-to-face, and then you can ask questions, people can feed off each other rather than just being told the information. I definitely recommend Way We Do to other businesses.